Welcome back to K-Tech. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you this awesome food printer that prints edible pancakes, the Pancakebot. But first, I'd like to thank everybody at Wildspark for making me their first kid creator. Stay tuned. Bitcoin has been like a scary roller coaster ride this year. Just like anything else in today's fast-paced world, it will take mainstream adoption before it becomes stable. In 2017, Bitcoin was doing very well, but by the beginning of 2018, things got bumpy. The big gain in the crypto world stopped dry. But you better keep a close eye on this technology. As soon as a big institution like BlackRock takes on crypto, it's gonna fire back up with a vengeance. And here's the Pancakebot. It's very easy to operate, so you too can print cool pancakes right at home. I recommend the Pancakebot to anyone who enjoys creative activities with their children or just trying out new things in the kitchen. If you're interested in learning more, go to Pancakebot.com. On the Pancakebot website, there's a wide variety of pancake designs to choose from. As many of you already know, 3D printing technology is making great strides. From printing human organs to building houses and everything in between, 3D printers are going to be a part of everyday life soon. Here's the Lithophane I made on my 3D printer. You can put a light source behind a piece of plastic and make an image appear with detail or even make a cool lampshade. Here's the finished product of the 3D printed version and the pancake version that you can eat. Huge shout out to Mr. Eli Whitman, the community manager of Wildspark. If you haven't heard of Wildspark yet, go to wildspark.me and learn how you can get paid to pay attention.